Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, I will show you how to find my Discord ID easily. Your Discord ID is a unique number used by bots and support, and you can copy it in just a few moments. Step 1. Open Discord and click the user settings icon, the small gear next to your username at the bottom. Step 2. Scroll down the left menu and click Advanced. Here you will see some extra options for developers. Step 3. Turn on developer mode. This is important because without it, you cannot copy IDs in Discord. Now let's copy the ID. Step 4. Go back to Discord. Right-click on your username anywhere you can see it. Step 5. From the menu, click Copy User ID. Your ID is now saved to your clipboard. Step 6. Paste it into Notepad or chat using Ctrl+V, and you will see a long number. That is your Discord ID. That's all you need to do. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.